Kicking off our list is the Auto Grinder by Husqvarna Construction, an autonomous machine that completely revolutionizes commercial concrete floor preparation. This robust robotic grinder methodically polishes massive concrete slabs without needing a human operator pushing it through heavy dust. Operators simply map out the grinding zones via a remote interface, letting smart sensors automatically adjust the grinding pressure for a uniform finish. Removing workers from the immediate area significantly lowers their exposure to harmful silica dust and intense physical vibrations. Because the machine operates continuously without fatigue, it drastically speeds up project timelines for industrial warehouses, ensuring a perfectly polished floor every single time. Next up, the Maximo Robot by AES Corporation brings heavy automation to the rapid construction of utility-scale solar energy fields. This AI-enabled robotic arm travels on a mobile platform to securely attach massive solar modules to active tracker structures. Utilizing advanced computer vision, Maximo accurately positions and fastens each panel perfectly without ever risking damage to the fragile glass. It thrives in extreme outdoor environments, like intense desert heat, protecting human crews from exhausting physical strain. The unit is completely powered by its own mobile microgrid, meaning it deploys clean energy to construct clean energy infrastructure while cutting installation times in half. Diving into extreme industrial construction, the Firehawk Autonomous Refractory Lining Robot by FBR takes on incredibly dangerous manufacturing environments. This specialized machine automates the highly hazardous task of lining massive steel production ladles with heavy, heat-resistant shielding bricks. Utilizing sophisticated dynamic stabilization technology, it places each heavy brick with absolute precision, despite hostile, high-heat conditions. It completely removes human workers from toxic, suffocating maintenance zones where injuries are a constant threat. The robotic arm ensures a much tighter and consistent brick lining, which extends the operational lifespan of the ladle vessels while giving industrial facilities highly predictable maintenance schedules and reduced downtime. Perfecting interior aesthetics is the Canvas 1200CX, an autonomous drywall finishing robot that tackles the messiest job on the site. This smart mobile machine scans interior walls with advanced sensors before smoothly spraying joint compound over seams and fasteners. Once the mud cures, the robotic arm utilizes an integrated precision sander to achieve a flawless level 5 finish completely effortlessly. A massive benefit is its onboard vacuum system, which captures nearly all hazardous drywall dust right at the source. The compact chassis easily maneuvers through standard doorways, shaving weeks off the final interior schedule by condensing a traditionally multi-day process. Bringing intelligent muscle down to the human level is the Mule MZ100, a highly advanced material handling lift assist. This innovative machine functions as a mechanical extension of a mason's arm, making heavy concrete blocks feel entirely weightless. It features an ergonomic pneumatic gripper that securely holds heavy materials so operators can position them using only their fingertips. By eliminating the constant, back-breaking strain of lifting hundreds of pounds daily, it greatly extends workers' physical health and overall longevity. The compact mobile base seamlessly navigates tight scaffolding setups, significantly reducing occupational injuries while boosting daily production rates for block-laying crews. Streamlining logistics and material handling on the ground, the ErgoPack RE completely transforms the tedious task of heavy pallet strapping. This mobile machine utilizes a patented chain lance that automatically slides strapping material under a pallet and directly back to the worker. Operators never have to bend down, stoop, or awkwardly fish straps through narrow wooden slats ever again. This specific model elevates sustainability by utilizing heavy-duty reusable hook and loop straps instead of single-use plastic bands. Intuitive joystick controls make the system incredibly easy to operate, perfectly merging worker health with environmental responsibility by protecting spines and cutting plastic waste. Preparing massive concrete decks for structural stability introduces TieBot, an autonomous gantry robot built for rebar tying at incredible scale. This impressive machine straddles bridge and roadway decks, using advanced computer vision to identify rebar intersections without human assistance. It continuously ties intersections with perfect consistency, relieving workers from the punishing physical task of constant bending. TieBot easily adjusts to varying mat sizes and navigates around pre-existing site obstacles without ever needing pre-programmed digital maps. Because it works relentlessly through the night and in poor weather, It drastically compresses critical project timelines, freeing human crews to focus on complex framing. Moving back inside the building structure, the Hilti Jybot takes on the grueling work of overhead mechanical and electrical installations. This semi-autonomous mobile robot navigates indoor concrete slabs to accurately locate and drill thousands of overhead anchor holes. It completely eliminates the need for installers to balance on ladders while pushing heavy rotary hammers into ceilings. The Jybot automatically reads digital building blueprints to mark and drill holes precisely, completely avoiding hidden structural rebar. With its integrated dust extraction system, it maintains a clean environment, ensuring that anchor points for complex HVAC systems align perfectly with the original architectural plans. Managing the massive topographic changes across an active job site brings us to the Komatsu Smart Construction Edge Computing Solution. This compact hardware rapidly processes drone photogrammetry right in the field without needing a strong internet connection. It generates highly accurate 3D point clouds in minutes, giving project managers real-time visibility into exact dirt volumes moved. By comparing daily physical terrain changes against the digital blueprints, operators can fix grading errors immediately before they compound. The device integrates seamlessly with mobile command centers to empower earth-moving teams, ensuring heavy excavators are constantly guided by the most up-to-date topographical tracking available. Translating precise digital coordinates directly onto the job site floor is the specific mission of the HP SitePrint Layout Robot. This compact, autonomous machine navigates the concrete slab to draft highly detailed 2D maps of interior building footprints. Instead of layout crews spending hours snapping chalk lines by hand, this robot prints complex curves and text labels completely automatically. It features a responsive obstacle avoidance system that lets it navigate safely around active construction workers and debris. The unit works with specialized, durable inks that remain clearly visible on concrete, guaranteeing that building materials are placed exactly where architects intended. Conquering the heavy foundations of large-scale solar energy projects is the RPD-35 autonomous piler from Built Robotics. This massive self-driving machine functions as a robotic pile driver, pounding heavy steel beams into the ground with relentless power. It can carry and install up to 200 piles a day on its own, utilizing high-precision GPS to ensure absolute structural alignment. Automating this repetitive, high-vibration task drastically accelerates construction timelines for vast utility-scale solar farms. The onboard navigation software continuously maps rough terrain, allowing the heavy tracks to move safely without human steering, mitigating severe labor shortages in remote locations. When the time comes to clear out old concrete and steel, the Husqvarna DXR95 demolition robot steps in forcefully. This remarkably compact, remote-controlled machine packs an incredibly powerful hydraulic punch despite its small physical profile. It is uniquely engineered to fit inside standard passenger elevators and squeeze through tight doorways to access interior demolition zones. Operators stand safely at a distance while the machine crushes concrete pillars and tears down walls. Its heavy-duty track system climbs stairs easily, and advanced thermal management ensures the robot can work continuously in high-temperature, confined environments without overheating or ever risking operator safety. Streamlining high-altitude construction logistics, the Kawazo LiftBot serves as an incredibly intelligent robotic scaffolding material hoist for busy job sites. This battery-powered robotic unit crawls up standard scaffolding tracks to deliver heavy steel poles and wooden planks directly to workers. It completely eliminates the dangerous requirement of human crews manually passing heavy structural components up through multiple levels. The compact system is exceptionally quick to install, integrating seamlessly with existing scaffolding setups without occupying valuable ground space. By automating this grueling vertical transport, it speeds up overall scaffold assembly times by 40%, while giving managers transparent data on logistics efficiency. Shifting our focus to data center construction, DEWALT recently unveiled the world's first downward drilling, fleet-capable robot for commercial sites. This cutting-edge autonomous machine drives across concrete slabs to drill hundreds of precise anchor holes for heavy server racks. By automating downward drilling, it completely eliminates intense physical vibration and dangerous silica dust exposure for human operators. It features an advanced fleet-capable control system, meaning a single manager can safely coordinate multiple drilling units from afar. The robot integrates directly with site layout software, dropping its drill bit exactly on digital coordinates, slashing build times in critical tech facilities immensely. Tackling extensive outdoor infrastructure projects, the Civ.Mini simplifies road layout and striping with truly unmatched autonomous speed and accuracy. This rugged ground rover is specifically engineered to navigate uneven dirt while marking highly precise surveying coordinates across large distances. Utilizing real-time kinematic GPS, the compact machine achieves sub-inch precision across massive highway projects and complex utility grids. It operates safely in hazardous roadside environments, where putting human surveyors on foot represents a significant safety risk. The intuitive software allows managers to upload standard CAD blueprints, converting complex design files into paint dots instantly to completely avoid costly project delays. Revolutionizing how we construct large-scale buildings from scratch is the massive Icon Titan print system for 3D architectural printing. This impressive crane continuously extrudes proprietary concrete mixes to build robust, highly detailed structures up to 27 feet tall. Unlike older fixed gantry systems, the Titan utilizes a heavy-duty crawler undercarriage to adapt dynamically to complex job site layouts. It prints structural walls, intricate facades, and internal insulation cavities simultaneously to strictly minimize material waste. The system is designed to be highly accessible, democratizing advanced robotic construction for independent builders and delivering highly resilient, energy-efficient homes wrapped in stunning architectural curves. Completely reimagining indoor material logistics, the Infinity Crane by Celix transforms how heavy components flow through highly active industrial construction spaces. This innovative overhead robot moves freely in any directional axis across a specialized, modular ceiling-mounted grid system. It entirely eliminates floor-level spatial bottlenecks, safely transporting heavy parts around structural columns and busy work zones. Multiple Infinity Cranes can operate collaboratively within the same ceiling grid, seamlessly rotating and transferring massive suspended loads together safely. Moving heavy logistics to the ceiling frees up valuable ground space while eliminating traditional forklift collision hazards, functioning as a highly adaptable skyworker tailored to evolving facility needs. Anchoring our entire automated construction ecosystem is the Trimble Robotic Total Station, the ultimate layout instrument for precision building. This advanced optical device self-calibrates instantly on site to lock onto your prism with absolutely flawless dimensional accuracy. It connects directly to layout applications on your mobile device, allowing a single surveyor to easily manage complex mapping tasks. By completely removing the need for a traditional two-person crew, it slashes labor hours while fundamentally preventing layout mistakes. Integrated smart vision technology allows operators to see exactly what the optical lens sees, guaranteeing absolute structural alignment for your entire automated project. And that is a wrap on the most mind-blowing AI and robotic tools completely reshaping the construction industry today. From autonomous layout rovers on the ground to heavy material lifters in the sky, the future of the job site is officially here, making building faster, safer, and more precise than ever before.